All right. Astronomy homework number 7. We're steamrolling through these. Okay. This is going to be on Cells to Singularity, an idle game that I personally have played for multiple years at this point. But specifically we're going to be looking at the Beyond simulation branch, which is independent from the main simulation. So like, you know how like some games will have like the main world and then you get like the side questy world? Like that's kind of what happened, but like it's really almost like its own thing. Like it is its own thing because like it runs on like different currencies and stuff. So basically like on the main simulation, you can unlock it after buying the Milky Way node in the main simulation, and then you tap that a bunch, and then you get like this like black hole portal to the other simulation, and it's really cool. It was added onto the game on November 2nd, 2021, and so it has its own currencies, which are stardust, dark matter, and constellation fragments. The stardust is what is generated and what you use to buy generators of the stardust. You can also tap. Idle games often include that. And I just put like a whole list because like each generator, when you buy it, there's like a little blurb of description about each thing. And it currently has 71 generators to buy. And so let me just go over like some of the highlights that are included in this. So we have like all the planets in our solar system, including our sun, which is the star, but like we also have the asteroid belt, many of the moons of the different planets, Halley's Comet, Hale-Bopp, the heliosphere, the Oort cloud, Alpha Centauri, stars depicting the main sequence type of stars. And actually, I don't realize that's what they were getting at only after this class, but like it really does show you like the different colors of it. And I was like, oh, they're showing the different colors of the sun, but now I know those are different like main sequence of stars, and that's really cool. And so it also includes things like the Helix Nebula, Cat's Eye Nebula, Sagittarius X1, I didn't say that right, Sagittarius A, Milky Way Galaxy, Sagittarius Dwarf Galaxy, and the Andromeda Galaxy. And these are all viewable as 3 models, because, like, there's the little main look at where it's, like, all a flat plane, and you have the little image in a circle, and you tap that, and you can see it by... Or, you can go into this little other tab, and you can see it all in, like, a 3D environment, which is fun! Which is a lot of fun! And then there's also, like, little trophies you can get. There's like other like limited time events that cycle through all the different events, and from those you can earn these little currency things to buy things like special little icons or additional models that like give your things a boost. And some of those can include some of those things that can give boost stuff are things like the James Webb Space Telescope and the Kepler Space Telescope and a couple others. Um, which is really cool. I think that's fun. And I swear they used to have like I don't know if they still have it going cycled through, or if I haven't seen it in a while, but like it takes a while for them to go through all of the different like limited time events. But I'm pretty sure there's a limited time event where you like go through like the James Webb Telescope, like its process of being made or something like that. And that's pretty cool as well. But that's separate from the Beyond. But also Beyond is being released in like 2 separate phases, basically, with the first phase being fully released already, including the solar system, and the second phase is currently in beta, and that's what includes like the Milky Way galaxy and all the other stuff in the observable universe. And they're possibly going to explore the history of astronomy in general, like in the future. But like I think it's being released. That might have been a little bit outdated on the wiki. But anyways, I really recommend this to anyone who enjoys idle games. And my favorite part about this game is that it has no cutoff for the idle games. If you go away, if you don't open the app for 3 months and then you open it again, you get 3 months worth of generated stuff, which is really cool. Like that, you just don't see that nowadays. Like I don't know. I just love it. I just love it. I highly recommend it. check out Cells to Singularity. You learn so much, and it's just, and they're always working on it. They've got a bunch of new special time events and stuff. It's fun. Okay. Sorry. Yeah. There you go.